A lot of my research, the overarching goal is to develop high-resolution maps of the seafloor. And I always think what's crazy is that we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the seafloor on Earth. And even though the ocean takes up more space than land on Earth, there's still so much that we don't know about it. And I think mapping is kind of the backbone of a lot of other technologies that we'll be able to develop in the future. But a goal of my work is to specifically develop high-resolution maps, which means that we would be able to map seamounts that maybe haven't even been discovered yet at the resolutions that they're currently being mapped at. So understanding the terrain on the seafloor can help for search and rescue and finding sunken ships or plane crashes. It can also help predict weather patterns more accurately and things like this. But I think that once we're able to efficiently map the seafloor, it'll open up avenues for a lot more discoveries in science and technology. So I think that the sea and mapping the seafloor is one of the last unknown frontiers that we have yet to explore and discover. So it's really exciting that it's something so close to us that we can really have an impact on discovering what other life is there or what other structure is there.